All right, turning to the weather now, and our first alert meteorologist, Aaron Moran. And Aaron, I can't imagine things getting any better with the temperatures just this cold.
No, they're not going to get better. In fact, we're expecting it to get worse. Of course, it's cloudy, but it's been daytime, and there have been some cars on the road. So between just a little bit of daylight and the friction from the tires, you get a little bit of melting on the main roads, right? But we're still concerned about the bridges, the overpasses, the ramps. We've seen people driving slowly, but the temperatures are in the 20s. With cloudy skies and precipitation falling on and off all day today, we have not been able to get out of the 20s. 27 degrees, a north wind at 16 miles an hour. It feels like 15 right now at DFW. We look to our East Fort Worth cam, similar story, temperature at 26, feels like 14. Very slow moving on the roads. This hill right here, it's just pretty much impossible to get up at this point. And then, of course, vehicles sliding down as well. What we are anticipating, you see the sleet accumulation and the ice accumulation, any mush there, it's going to refreeze tonight once the sun goes down, and the roads are going to become treacherous. We've got more winter weather in the forecast for tomorrow as well. We're not going to see major movement in the temperature trend. We're sitting anywhere from 26 to 27 degrees in the Metroplex right now. You've got a few spots in the upper 20s in Hillsborough and Corsicana, low 30s, right around freezing for Tyler, Athens, and Palestine right now. But even Tyler has been reporting some sleet just in the last hour or so, and more precip, can't stress that enough, is on the way. It's coming in waves, so it's not the constant that we were seeing in the Metroplex earlier, but we're kind of getting these waves of energy moving in from the southwest, and that kind of preempts all of this activity to kind of pick back up again. So you've got a mix of sleet, freezing rain, freezing drizzle, along with the cloudy skies and the windy conditions. First alert weather days continuing for Wednesday and into Thursday morning now as well. So we are expecting more sleet and more freezing rain. We're going to have more ice accumulating on all surfaces. So we're not just talking about those elevated surfaces anymore. We're talking about the primary roads, the secondary roads as well. There have been issues on the roadways all day, and we're likely going to experience more of that tonight and into tomorrow. Tomorrow, we've got several waves of sleet and freezing rain on the way, and then Thursday, it looks like we're going to have an icy morning. Then into the afternoon, we're finally expecting temperatures to just get above freezing. So an ice storm warning has been issued for parts of North Texas into tomorrow morning through Thursday. So 6 a.m. Wednesday to 6 a.m. Thursday. This is where we are expecting total ice accumulations of up to a ½ inch on top of what we have already seen. But please keep in mind that everywhere else is under a winter storm warning. That remains, Scott. And so even if you're not under that ice storm warning, conditions are still expected to be poor.
Yeah, they really are going to be poor for us. And we're going to walk you through this on the First Alert Futurecast. Aaron, you're able to see it. You talked about those waves of freezing rain and precip moving in. This is what we will see as we go through the night. But watch tomorrow morning how we get a little bit more widespread. Here we are 6 to 7 o'clock from the southwest sides of North Texas and then moving to the northeast. So the same thing that we saw this morning, but it's going to be lasting a little bit longer through the morning hours into the afternoon. And you notice temperatures trying to bump up maybe a little bit. This forecast model is a bit aggressive. I think we're going to stay at 29 as we go through the day because the column of air is so cold. But this is going to be a heavier freezing rain moving its way through North Texas into the afternoon hours, into the evening hours, some sleet mixing in. So we have a whole lot that is on the way. And you might be asking why. We have this upper level low that's back to the southwest down near parts of California. That is continuing to slowly move its way to the east. So until this gets on out of here, we have some impulses of energy wrapping around that. And that's why we're seeing these waves of freezing rain and sleet moving through. Once that gets through, then we see the sunshine finally return. We'll see 35 for your Thursday. So first alert weather days tomorrow and Thursday. By Friday, we're up to 50 degrees. Saturday, 55. I hear that there's a pool party at Karen Border's house on Sunday because it's going to be 62 and lots of sunshine on the way, Karen.
And it doesn't help that our pool's covered, but yeah, okay, we'll find a way to make it happen. All right, Scott, thank you so much.